Kim. Welcome to the EMU Mapping tutorials. In this first part, I'll be showing you the new mapping page where you can connect up to 8 universes of LED fixtures. For my setup here, I've got a MacBook Pro connected to an OCTO MP2 via an Ethernet port. Then 2 RGBW LED strips with 59 LEDs per strip, which is then connected to a power source. And finally, I have the EMU free license running the latest mapping beta. First, on EMU, I'll rescan to make sure the OCTO is found and toggle enabled. Then, heading to the mapping page, I'll click Add Strip to enter the details for this LED strip. The universe and DMX start address can stay the same. EMU also shows you how many available DMX channels you can use, and note that we're using 4 channels per LED for RGBW. For LED count, I have 59 LEDs, and I'm setting up 2 strips total. You can customize the fixture name and strip name as well to match your setup. I'll name mine and tech bulbs RGBW. Click Add, and now you'll see 2 groups in the left panel, one for each strip, and each group shows the 59 individual LEDs. Additionally, if you go to the patch page, channel view, you'll see the channels are all mapped correctly as well. Going back to the mapping page, I can drag these 2 strips onto the canvas, and over on the Pixels tab on the right, I can adjust the layout to match my physical setup. I'll click on the grid pattern, and change the columns to 59, and minimize column spacing to 1. I'll turn on the data direction button to see how it's flowing, and in my case, I'll need to change the next row direction to opposite. Then, clicking on the none alignment, I can flip X and Y so that the flow starts from the bottom like my setup. Now that everything's mapped, hit play and watch the canvas map onto the strips in real time. For larger setups, EMU's premium version supports up to 32 universes, and that's 4,096 channels, perfect for installations like this large LED board with 32 strips. Alright, that's it for this first part. Check the next video to learn how to map any fixture type. See you there!